The 2018 Ford F-150 Off-Road Edition. Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford, your off-road truck dealership in Kansas, bringing you another custom off-road edition for 2018. So I think you're really going to like this. Every year we have a little bit different look and style and components on this. So this year we've upped the game just a little bit more, so there's some more components involved as well as a little bit different look. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, as we talk about this package, this off-road edition package, this package can be put on any of our trim levels. It's a XL, XLT, Lariat. This particular truck is a Lariat, so it's going to be has some different equipment on it. So I'm going to go over some different look to it. Now, all these this package here we're typically going to put on the Sport package. So you can get a Lariat Sport Edition package or Sport Appearance package, as well as an XLT Sport Appearance package and an XL. So I'm going to talk about a little bit of the different look on the front, depending on which of those different trims to go with. Now, this is a Lariat, so the grille here is going to be painted to match because that is part of that Sport Appearance package. So you have the 2-bar painted, in this case, that lead foot gray with the 2 bars, minor bars above and below. It goes real nicely with your body colored bumpers, which is part of the Sport package as well, the fog lights and everything here on the front. Now on an XLT, it's going to look pretty similar. You're still going to have your body colored bumpers on the XLT Sport Appearance package, but the grille here is going to be the magnetic gray painted front grille. So you're going to have the 2-bar grille with the minor bars above and below. So the XLT package will look like that. Now on that XL, it is going to be that molded in black grille with your body colored bumpers. So just keep that in mind as you order different packages, and this can be put on any of those different trim levels. If you want an XLT, you don't want that Sport Appearance package or Lariat without a Sport Appearance package, you want the Chrome Appearance package, that's just fine. We can do that as well, but just keep in mind, most of the time on the in-stock vehicles you see, we're going to base it off this Sport Appearance package because we really love the look of it. Also, on the roof, we're going to have this nice decal. It is a custom decal we had made up, matte black in the middle here with the red trim around it, and our own logo that we created ourselves and worked with the local company to create that logo. Really love that white with the red accents on the hood here. Now, what's an off-road edition truck without a lift, right? So we have a 4-inch lift kit put on this. It's a BDS brand to give it that nice off-road stance and look to the vehicle. And then, of course, we need some nice wheels on it. This is a Moto metal brand, 20-inch wheels. It's that MO 970 edition wheel. So real great looking wheel to it. And then we have this off-road edition tires here, 35-inch all-terrain tires to go along with it. So that way it's going to be able to handle any of the off-roading that you might want to put this vehicle through. Also, come a little closer. Check this out. We also put these nice red brake calipers on all 4 of the wheels. Really makes that wheel well really pop there and give it a great look. We didn't forget about the back of the truck. We did add our custom decal back here. In fact, you're going to see the matte black finish applique where maybe some of your luxury trucks you'd see that applique back here. It's going to have that matte black, so sport look to it with the red stripe. And then don't forget that decal over there, just like you saw on the hood of the vehicle. And then we also are going to throw in the Bedliner here. So it's going to be a spray-in Bedliner that we do here at McArthur. We are a certified run-a-liner dealer, so we're going to do a spray-in liner that's going to come with this package as well. And then on both your bed sides, you're going to see a little bit different. It's the same design, but instead of that white, you're going to see that black with a red accent here on those 2 bed sides. And then don't forget about the performance exhaust with the black tips. Great looking way to finish off this vehicle, and I love the black tip. It goes along with that sport look and the feel for the truck. Now here on the interior, we're going to do something as well. Now this is a Lariat, so it's going to already come with your leather seats. But if you get the XL or XLT with this package, we're going to upgrade those cloth seats to these leather seats. So I think you really appreciate that. And to finish everything off, we're going to also put front window tint. Again, we are a certified window tinter here, so we're going to put front window tint on the vehicle to give it that nice sport look on the outside. So that covers all the equipment that was put on this off-road edition package. I think you're really going to like it. You're probably wondering how much is this going to cost me. The retail price on this package is $11,900, and that's going to cover everything we've talked about, including your spray-in liner and the window tint that we put on these vehicles too. So if you want that put on any vehicle, you want to order one, get something out of our inventory and put this package on it. It's about about 2 or 3 week turnaround. Not a real long time to have this package put on it. If you like some components and not others, you want some different wheels, we'll work with you as well, and we can handle that too. So keep that in mind there. Check out our website, McArthur.com. There on that page, you can click on the off-road truck button there, about in the middle of the page on the left side. Click on that button, it's going to pull up our off-road page there. It goes different packages that we can put on it. There's a different page for each of the different off-road editions that we've put on the different trucks, so you can see what some of those include. And what's great about that is just like what Ford does on some of their packaging and puts several features together. That off-road edition package here, it does include all those features we talked about, but if you want something different, we'll work with you. We can take any of our trucks in our inventory and do that with. But you can also check out our off-road edition inventory currently right now on that, just by clicking on that search our off-road inventory button there on that page. And you can see like this truck right here that's currently in stock, as well as we have a white one, a lot like this one that's a Lariat as well. And you can see that there on our website. And each one of those vehicles, you can pull up the window sticker. You can see also the original MSRP. You can check availability. You can see all that information. In all of ours, we talked about the retail price being $11,900, but as you know, we're going to discount all of our vehicles. It's not going to be MSRP pricing on that package. So you're going to see that discounted package. And even right now in F-150s, this being truck month, and Ford has discounts constantly throughout the year, you're going to still get a great deal. In fact, I think this truck here is even discounted almost $8,000 already. So you can get a really good deal in getting a nice off-road edition truck like this here. So definitely check that out. If you have any questions, or you want to ask if something's still available, or you want to get something specifically done, you can call or send a text message at 785-378-5031. And don't forget, if you're watching this video on our YouTube channel, hit that like button. Let other people know this is a great video that they need to watch. And if you haven't had a chance yet, subscribe to our channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below. That way you'll be subscribed. We'll show up in your video feed, so you can, whenever we have new content uploaded. And if you hit that notification bell as well, you'll get notified every time we have a new video uploaded to our YouTube channel. So I think you'll like that. We have a lot of Ford and Lincoln content that I think you'll find very valuable, and I think you'll like that. So again, thanks for watching this video. Until the next one, we'll see you later.